Hey guys, welcome back to the DSC YouTube channel. This video is about Git and its configuration. Don't worry, you need to follow a few easy steps and that's it. Your work will be done. First, open the most efficient browser you currently have in your PC. Go and open Google and search for Git. Yes, it's that simple. Your search page will appear. Click on the link displaying Git and you will be directed to the official web page of Git. You will see a green download button written Download for Windows. Click on that button. Once you click the button, your file download will start automatically and you will receive a dialog box showing your downloading status. Wait for a few seconds till your file is downloaded. Then open the file. At first, you will be receiving a license confirmation page. If you want, you can go through the manual or simply click Next. Next, they will show the place where your app will be installed and stored. Then you will receive another dialog box where they will ask you about the components need to be installed. Except the last 2 points, tick the rest of all of them. Then click the next button. Then the dialog box is appearing thereafter. Keep on clicking next and then the final permission for installation. Click the button install. The installation will start. Wait for a few minutes depending on your network speed. Then another dialog box will appear informing you about that your Git has been installed. Yes, it's finally done. Now click the finish button and your Git bash will appear on your screen. Now resize it in your own ways, however you want. Write whatever you want. Configuration is in the next part of the video.